I love to work on silk, and these silk scarves make wonderful accessories for almost any outfit. You're in control of which direction you want the striping to run in. On this piece of silk, they're running diagonally across the cloth, while on this one, they're actually running parallel with the selvedge of the fabric. Let's see how it was made. It's quite logical actually when you start to look at it this way. Here I have my silk that I've prepared beforehand. It's been through the washing machine and it's still wet. I've made sure that the string is nearby so that once I've got the coil in place, I don't have to go hunting for it. So we start with the corner, and you want to pull the fabric down and allow it to relax out all the way down the length. Then, as you saw before, I'm going to hold it in my hand like this and create the coil around my fingers. Once I've coiled up the entire length of the cloth, I support it on the table, and then you want to just tie it quite loosely with the string to hold those coils in place. This is not one that you want to tie very tightly with the string because then it might constrict the fabric, and we want the dye to go all the way through the layers. We're just using the string here to make sure that the coils stay in place. Once again, I just loop the thread underneath once or twice, and that will be sufficient to hold the coils in the dye.